my business is Fearfully Made Boutique. We've been on the square now for a little over a year. We are at 100 South Lynn Street, Bryan, Ohio. We definitely offer a lot of variety of services for everyone. We want an experience to happen. Every single week we bring in new inventory. We definitely highlight all ages from young to grown. We want people to come in and just make their day and have an exciting experience when they shop with us. My why for starting Fearfully Made Boutique is I was a single mom and I wanted to give my daughter a legacy to live from. I've always just had it in my heart to help give back to people in need. I want it to be super faith-based and just an open spot, an open heart for women and all those to just come and be themselves. Renovating an old building is very, very expensive. The upkeep of an old building is also a huge financial strain. Bryan Area Foundation gave me the ability to renovate it and make it look beautiful. We're super thankful for the foundation for being able to give this space light.